A man gazes into the mirror, frustration etched on his face as he touches his thinning hair. Hair falls into his hands, symbolizing lost confidence. Losing your hair, losing your confidence? A voiceover questions deeply. Suddenly, a bottle of self-hair appears, glowing with promise. Rebuild your hair from the root. Block DHT. Reactivate growth. The voiceover asserts confidently. The scene shifts to show a transformation. The man's hair is now thicker, fuller, and his smile radiates newfound confidence. In just weeks, stronger, fuller, healthier hair, he declares. In the final scene, he walks confidently, making eye contact. The message remains clear. Take your confidence back. Link in bio.